Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you a lemon tree grafted onto an orange tree, and also the opposite case, an orange tree grafted onto a lemon tree. Let's start with the lemon grafted onto the orange tree. If we move closer, you can clearly see the lemons. This is a branch that has grown upward. If we look around, you can see that the entire tree is an orange tree, and it's heavily loaded with oranges. Right here is where we made the graft, a small graft at the beginning, and look at how it has developed. It's already a fairly large branch. If you look to the left, you can see the oranges. This is the main branch of the tree, so to speak. Everything else on the tree produces oranges. Now I'm going to show you the branch that comes from the lemon graft. You can see how it crosses underneath and grows upward. Everything produced on this branch is lemons. This is a great way to get more value from one tree. As you can see, it's already full of oranges, and we don't need that many. By adding a lemon branch, we can harvest both lemons and oranges from the same tree. It's a simple way to have two fruit trees in one. While we move to the other graft, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the video. You can see here that we have more grafted plants. And here we have the lemon tree with oranges on it. This is the complete opposite situation. This is where everything came from. We took two cuttings from here for the video where we removed an air layer from the lemon tree. Everything you see here comes from this tree. You can also see that we've added another new graft here, because we're in the same situation with lemons. We don't use that many, so in the end we're trying to make the most of the space and plant a bit of everything. Here you can see the two orange tree grafts. We made two small grafts, and they have grown really well. You can see them more clearly here, along with the small oranges. Not bad at all for a graft to produce this many oranges. Here, we can choose between picking a lemon or an orange, depending on what we feel like that day, all from the same tree. As you saw earlier, from this point a new branch will grow. Right now it looks like just a small stick, but over time it will become a strong branch with a good fruit load, just like the others. If you want to learn how to do a graft yourself, I'll leave a link here showing the process. The example is with an olive tree, but the technique is basically the same. Over here, we also have our garlic planting, and very soon the garlic will start sprouting. If you look at the tree, you can see that the orange branch is bending quite a bit because of the weight. There are too many oranges, so we'll need to start harvesting them. This is the same orange tree you saw before, just to show how heavily loaded it is. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, share it, and give it a like. I'll leave more videos here about grafting and other topics. See you in the next one.